Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. If you will find this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now let's go to Spotify. So, for example, I have opened up some type of playlist. And once you start playing, and then you start seeing random songs, the one reason could be that you have just enabled shuffle, which is right there. They also have smart shuffle now. Basically, you need to turn it off if you want the songs to play one by one in this list. And another reason would be is that you have enabled autoplay, which to turn off, all you have to do is go on our home screen, click on your profile icon at the top left corner, click on settings and privacy, and after that, just choose playback right there. And now once you are on playback, you want to go up again to the bottom almost. And you will see here autoplay similar content, and it's enabled now. So enjoy non-stop listening. We'll play something similar when what you are listening to ends. So you want to toggle this off, and it will basically end with your playlist that you play. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.